ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የግሬስ ፋርማ ቤተሰቦች የሲኦሲ ጥያቄ እየሰራን እንገኛለን። በፓርት 1 ቪዲዮ ከጥያቄ 1 እስከ 10 ያለውን ሰርተናል። አሁን ደግሞ ከ11 ጀምሮ ያለውን ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 11 pharmaceutical factor manufacturing a batch of triamcinolone acetonide oral paste or 0.1% and sent the sample to a quality control unit to ensure the content uniformity of the product. What is the most appropriate test the quality control personnel should perform? A. Minimal field. B. Stability study. C. Homogeneity test. D. In vitro drug release. The correct answer is homogeneity test. Content explanations and content uniformity ensures the drug is evenly distributed throughout the formulation. For semi-solid preparations like paste, this is assessed by homogeneity test. ሌላ ኦፕሽን ማይሆንበት ምክንያት ሚኒማል ፊል ኮንቴነር ፊሊንግ ቴስት፣ ስቴቢሊቲ ስቴዲ ደግሞ ሎንግ ተርም ኳሊቲ ቫሉዌሽን እና ኢን ቪትሮ ድራግ ሪሊዝ ደግሞ ድራግ ሪሊዝ ሬት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 12 A patient diagnosed for superficial ocular infection came to a hospital pharmacy with a prescription requesting for extemporaneous compounding of the prescribed neomycin sulfate eye ointment or 0.5%. The pharmacist has validated the prescription and compounded the product. What is the most appropriate container the pharmacist should use for this product? A. Jar glass. B. Glass tube. C. Collapsible tubes. D. Wide mouth plastic jar. Collapsible tube no መልሱ። Explanation of ophthalmic ointment must be packed in a sterile collapsible tube because they prevent contamination, allow controlled dispensing, protect the product from air and microbe. Other option glass jar or wide mouth jar high contamination risk ነው። Glass tube ደግሞ not practical for dispensing ointment. ቁጥር 13 A patient came to a community pharmacy with a prescription asking for preparing ceramide ointment. A compound pharmacist used fusion method and prepared a product. Once congealed, he ensured a uniform and smooth texture of the final product. What was the most likely technique used by the pharmacist to ensure the quality of ointment in this case? A. Pass-through colloid mill. B. Rub with mortar and pestle. C. Melt the entire mixture and pour. D. Collect and remove irritating solid particles. The correct answer is B. Rub with mortar and pestle. Now explanation: after preparing ointment by fusion method, pharmacists often titrate or rub the product with mortar and pestle to ensure uniform mixing, remove grittiness, product smooth and homogeneous mixed texture ነው። other option ሌላ ኦፕሽን ማይሆንበት ምክንያት ኮሎይድ ሚል ኢንዱስትሪያል ፕሮሰስ ላይ ነው። መልት ኢንታየር ሚክስቸር አጌ አነሰስ ነው። ሪሙቭ ፓርቲክል ደግሞ ኖት the technique used። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 14 manufacturing pharmacist who is working as a pharmaceutical factor where delivering sterilizing raw material for gentamicin sulfate ophthalmic ointment manufacturing. They adhere to current good manufacturing practice principle to prevent contamination. What is the most appropriate material flow pattern into preparation area? A. Material movement from dirty to clean area. B. Performed in hand lock designed door. C. Bidirectional material flow. D. Under unidirectional air flow. The correct answer is A. Material movement from dirty to clean area. Explanations and according to current good manufacturing practice for sterile product, material must move one direction from less clean or dirty area more clean areas, prevent cross contamination. ሌሎች ኦፕሽኖች ማይሆንበት ምክንያት hand lock door used for personnel not materials. Bidirectional flow ደግሞ increase contamination risk, የኮንታሚኔሽን ሪስክ ይጨምራል። bidirectional flow unidirectional air flow ደግሞ refer to air movement not material flow፣ ለማቴሪያል flow ሳይሆን ለair movement ነው unidirectional flow ማለት ነው። So ጥያቄ ቁጥር 15 a pharmacist who is working in the research and development department of pharmaceutical industry went to prepare hydrophilic oral solution of midazolam. What is the most likely activity performed by the pharmacist in this case to make this preparation? A. Use sterile environment. B. Use organoleptic agent. C. Use two miscible oily solvent. D. Use high solute proportion than solvent. ስለዚህ ይሄ ሚዳዞሊያም ኦራል የሚወሰድ ነው። ስለዚህ መልስ የሚሆነው B. Use organoleptic agent ነው። Explanation: oral solution must be palatable and acceptable to the patient. Pharmacists commonly add organoleptic agent like flavoring, sweetener, coloring agent to important taste, odor and appearance. Appearance ወይም ቴስቱን ኦደሩን palatable ወይም acceptable ለፔሸንቱ እንዲሆን እነዚህ ኤክስፔሪመንቶች አድ ይደረጋሉ ማለት ነው። ሌላ ኦፕሽኖች ማይሆንበት ምክንያት sterile environment needed for injection not oral solution ለኢንጀክሽን ነው እንጂ ለኦራል ሶሉሽን አይደለም። two miscible oily solvent ደግሞ used for oily preparation ነው። high solute proportion ደግሞ may cause precipitation ስለዚህ high solute proportion ደግሞ cause precipitation cause ስለሚያደርግ the correct answer is use organoleptic agent ነው ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 16 a pharmaceutical scientist designed a new form of peptide drug and he wanted to have a drug that should be administered through a route that bypass the first pharmacokinetic phase. What is the appropriate route of administration? A. buccal, B. rectal, C. intravenous, D. subcutaneous ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው። ስለዚህ intravenous correct answer is C ነው። Explanation: intravenous administration bypass the first pass metabolism in the liver and absorption phase, delivering the drug directly into the systemic circulation with 100% bioavailability. Other option buccal or rectal partially bypass first pass metabolism ነው። subcutaneous ደግሞ still require absorption phase. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 17 a pharmaceutical scientist designed new formulation to increase oral bioavailability of high hydrophobic cyclosporine. This form does not need dissolution process to release drug substance. What is the most likely selected from for the drug? A. oil and water immersion. B. non-aqueous suspension. C. aqueous suspension. C. D ደግሞ aqueous solution ነው። the correct answer oil in water emulsion ነው። explanation ደግሞ hydrophobic drug dissolve purely in water. oil in water emulsion improve bioavailability by keeping the drug in solubilizing oily droplet. B improving absorption እና avoiding dissolution limitation. ሌላ ኦፕሽን ማይሆንበት suspension ደግሞ still require dissolution. aqueous solution ደግሞ hydrophobic drug cannot dissolve well. Question number 18. A pharmacist took 15 ml of 0.1 mole solution of the base diphenhydramine and titrated with 0.1 mole HCl to determine its extent of ionization. The pH was monitored with a glass membrane. After 3 ml of 0.1 mole HCl have been added, the pH of the solution in 0.02. What is the pKa of diphenhydramine? የዳይፌናድራሚን pKa ቫልዩ ተጠየቀው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ይቅርታ ተሰርቶ ነው የሚመጣው። ተሰርቶ 0.9 ነው የሚመጣው። ስለዚህ correct answer is A። እሱን ደግሞ እናንተ ቼክ ታደርጋላችሁ። Question number 19. A pharmaceutical factor has been manufacturing chloramphenicol ointment 1%. Who ensures the stability of the product? The pharmacist use separately sterilizing raw material. Additionally, all manufacturing, filling, handling, and packaging process are performed under the controlled environment from microbe. What is the most likely technique that the pharmacist used to maintain product sterility. A, dry sterilization. B, ionizing radiation. C, autoclave. D, aseptic. The correct answer is aseptic now. Explanation: raw material sterilized separately, manufacturing and feeding under controlling sterile environment. This describe aseptic processing where sterile material are handled in the sterile condition to maintain sterility. ሌላ ኦፕሽን የማይሆንበት dry sterilization or autoclave radiation method used before processing knows the overall technique described ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 20 A hospital pharmacist dispensed 2 boxes of diclofenac sodium or 25 mg per ml for nurse giving care for hospitalized patient in surgery ward. The pharmacist attached a label on the medication, opened the container by breaking the neck at a pre-second squared position and injected the product immediately. What is the most likely primary container that can be used for this product? A, vial. B, ampoule. C, glass bottle. D, prefilled syringe. The correct answer is ampoule. Explanation: an ampoule is a sealed glass container that is opened by breaking the neck at a pre-square point. It is commonly used for single dose injectable medication. Other option ማይሆንበት ምንድነው? vial, opened by removing rubber stopper. Glass bottle, not used for injection dose breaking. Prefilled syringe ደግሞ ready to use syringe። ቀጥሎ ያሉትን በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እንሰራለን። ቻው።